Hello everybody who is watching. My name is Brian Wako. Mbabuzako mmwe na abali mu kulaba saawa eno mweyonge okubanga munyumirwa musubscribinga mulayikinga mu mbeera yonna olunaku olwaleero. It's a very special day nti mbaletedde omu ku bakyala abasinga okumanya kye bayita music e Uganda ng'ate era ye new entrant bwe tutunuulira abayimbi abakyala mu ggwanga erya Uganda. Amanya gange bampita Brian Wako. Just keep following wherever we are in any and every way. Kale, njaa tutandike. Shakira, how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
Nzijeko mask eno ne tugikole bulungi mpola mpola. How are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine. Tukozese Uganda, Shakira.
Kale, ndi bulungi.
Obulamu bugenda butya?
Bulungi sebo.
How about music?
Music is okay.
What do you mean?
Atambula bulungi.
Okay. Tukulabye, you're the new entrant now mu music industry Uganda. Abaana abato bakutunuulira nga balaba probably gwa holding the future ya music wekituka kubayimbi abakyala because of the few songs you've done so far. Nenga ate toli mu music yeka. Olina ebintu ebya bingi byokola. For starters, who is Shakira exactly?
Shakira Omufirika is a musician here in Uganda, and she's also a nurse as well. Music is passion. I love music. N'abaana bato abagala music. Tobawo kigana kola music unless your parents want you to do something first. Kati nga bazadde bange bangamba soko omala osoma and then you can concentrate on music.
Shakira ama okusoma?
Yeah, namala degree. Yasoka naye tekingana kuddayo. I can still go back.
Wasomera wa Shakira because ndabanga akyali omwana muto.
Nasomera USA, Massachusetts, Boston.
Ekigambo kiri USA. Njagala abantu bye banaategeera.
Nasomera mu ensi gye bayita USA. Mu state bagita Massachusetts, Boston. Yeah, and mbeera Las Vegas, Nevada.
Ozaalibwa wa?
Nzaalibwa wano Uganda.
Luddawe watu?
Zambia Hospital.
No, kale tukuziika wa?
Uganda.
Antiwa?
Butambala.
Shakira ogenda tambula ng'Omuganda kuba ndaba gy'oli mukuntu atambulamu ng'Omuganda.
Butambala gye bajja okunziika.
Tambula ng'Omuganda, Shakira. Tambula ng'Omuganda.
Anzala
Tambula ng'Omuganda.
Muze exactly kyemba.
Anti kale okutambula ng'Omuganda kwe kweyogerako bazaala wano bazadde bange bali wano bazikwa wano neddira kino bwebi.
Banzala Uganda Zambia Hospital.
Okay.
Bazadde bange babaziika Butambala. Nange gye bajja kunziika.
Shakira tuveyo kwakyo kiganye. Anyways, let's speak about music. How did you start music?
Music, I started out contesting for American Idol. Kati nemberanga nyimba once in a while because my mom was telling me omala kusoma, you know. Nga bwenzija Uganda for 2 weeks nkola yakayimba.
Mama oyani?
Bamita mukyala Jannat, Hajat Jannat Namuli.
Abeerawo?
Abeera Boston, Massachusetts.
Uganda mwajjanga kola?
Uganda ninawo family, nawo bakoja, ba auntie, baganda bange, ba cousins, you know, a big family. Ne tata wange ali wano.
Obadde okyatunyumiza how you started, huh?
Yeah, and then I started singing. Azja nenyimba kamba kamunenzirayo. Like that, nangamba soko malo soma. Ngolumu njagala n'okusigalawo nangamba atosigala. Soko male. This is good for you. Ojja kyetaaga nakyo.
Okay, like how did you penetrate through okujana mu music here Uganda?
I think I did a song with Andre. Then abantu ne baluwa obudde. Then ne bampayiriza n'okumpayiriza. So people started
bakuwayiriza ki?
Ebyo byaliwo ebya Andrew.
Nonjaga byonna tubitegeere because bw'oyogera kuwayiriza kiringa ekiwanvu muko.
No, like abantu batekawo that romantic and I tweyagala, which wasn't true.
Andre tomwagala?
As a friend, yes, but not as a husband or boyfriend, no. Yeah, as a friend, and I respect him. I respect his space, he respects mine. Because at the end of the day, we need each other, you know. When you mix business with pleasure, temuwangala, you know. But when you keep it friendly, muwangala mukula n'ebintu ebirungi bingi. Yeah, because mbane your friendship, respect. Yeah. So
Daddy Andre basically choga kutegeza yakuleta music in Uganda.
No, si yandeeta Black when najja nenyimba nayimba olimba ne Rixin, Black Market nendaba. Then signinga, then Peter then signinga, and then I sang with Andre, then nyimba ne David Lutalo, then nyimba ne Zexi. Yeah, that's how it's been coming along. Okay,
like Black Market a lot. If you get Black Market, tujja tukauka masoko katono. But ingagu omuntu, how have you found it easy or hard of pushing music in Uganda?
It's not easy. I will not say it's easy. It's not easy, but it takes passion and determination. Okulemerako. Because however good you are, there's people that are gonna knock you down. So you just have. People always do that. Anywhere in life, in any career, there's people that don't want to see you, you know. The people that don't want to see you shine more than they do.
How do you fight them back?
You just keep pushing. You don't stop. You have to keep pushing, keep working hard. It will portray, people will recognize you.
Bakuwelkaminze batya okutwalizaamu kubanga wano ali biifu omanyidde bye USA byangu.
No, nze sagala nnyo beera mu ntalo, and when ndabanga ekyo kigenda leeta obuzibu nga nsooka ne distancinga nga nkyesonyiwa.
Wogede ku Daddy Andre. Daddy Andre naawe enkolagana going beyond.
Going beyond.
It's a professional relationship.
It's a professional relationship with him, and the thing with Andre is you want to keep it professional because you're going to need him, you know. Like pleasure, you know. No, you know, with women, once you start mixing business with pleasure, you develop feelings, you know. You get attached to somebody.
You personally have never developed feelings for Daddy Andre?
No. I like him as a friend, and I'm sure he likes me as a friend because we speak. So I think most men see a car. Okay. Yeah, it's a nature thing for men. You can't avoid it. Okay. Yeah, you just have to set limits and set a line, you know. No benanga olabe chikolera more. Kati ze nawe mbandabanga omukwano kujja relationship, friendship agenda tusingira omukwano.
Ndetonteekawo nnyo kuba tomanya kiyinza kuddirira naye mbadde nsaba tutunulire collabo zozo okoleze enjawulo okoze ne David Utalo Zex Birangirangi. They're only men. How do you control?
Yeah, because abasajja, it's been easy. I won't say too easy, but they've been more welcoming. Abakazi, they take their time. You can reach out and they're like, you know. Immediate threat or immediate competitor to them. No, abakazi, it's a woman thing. Walaba mukazi munenga zo musabe kintu abalaba like rhino kulumyamoba, you know. So you just have to be patient with them. I'm not giving up on them because I'm working on a collab with another female artist. So you just have to show them that you really want to work with them. It has nothing to do with, you know, kujawo shiny ababa fan be bachisalawo. You know, the site chingana kuwa muntu agezako kuja mu industry collabo.
Shakira, binje bikogeddwako ever since you came to Uganda. This might be my first time to meet you. Bwemba sera bide gwe mundu gwange ogusokedde dala. But a lot has been spoken about you. Obifuno otya like bikutukako bitya mulingo omuntu era okicontaining otya. So many things bikogeddwako nawe bimanyi.
Tebyandi numye naye numirwako family yange.
Ngabiki.
Ne family yaba abantu abalala.
Ngabiki ebikogerwako nebikulu.
Like when they usually say oyagala omusajja wagundi oyagala ono, like you're not that kind of person. Dalanga sigo sport woliye obagamba banchikole nti okirekeraawo, but there's really nothing you can do, you know, because you know who you are.
Lwakyoza bakogerako nti no are so much into men.
I don't know why, but that's something shebaze bantekako, you know. Even I don't know how to explain it. Because I know who I am.
Who are you?
I don't let it bother me.
Who are you, Shakira?
I'm not the kind of person that dates different men at the same time.
How many are you dating currently?
One person.
And who is that?
King. He's called King. One person. Sisobola kujja uwone sigala nga nkyayagala ono. You know? Obviously when nzija uwono ngenda muchawa. You know, so
lwaki erinnya lyo leetolooledde nnyo? Simanyi, like I don't simanyi bogenda kiddamu but kyetolooledde nnyo. Is it good for your music career?
No, it's not good actually, but I also get compliments like you look so good.
No, of course you're beautiful. Buli musajja yandegwanyiza omukazi afaanana gwe, but lwaki? Okay, most of us men nkigamba because ndi musajja.
Yeah, but kyenkugambye kiri nature n'omufumbo bamukwana. Sigena kulima nti bankwana, they do every day, they do, but at the end of the day, self-discipline. Zerina discipline, you know. Sibukira buli kijja nti kyenjagala. because oba onjagala nfaanana bwe nti tomanya ani anfaananya bw'ati.
Shakira olina ssente ebyaddala ozijjawa?
Kyembadde ngamba wali nina nfaananya bw'ati bwe nti. So I prioritize that. Basobola kubuukira gwaze because you like Shakira. You know, who makes Shakira look like Shakira? There's someone behind Shakira. So that's how I look at it. You're like, thank you, but you know, I have someone right now. Yeah.
Who funds your music?
I have a team behind it. My boyfriend, my mom, Black Market, Yadde.
Tojiwa onyo Black Market ina issues ayo. Tojisiga kazigo. Nishuwa nti yemu ku company ezikujjamu.
No, tenzi jamu actually. Tenzi jamu. With every company in life. With every company in life, mubamu aba having issues in that job, but it doesn't mean now oveyo. Kwembafena tuli bakozi, nga company eri kuyisawo bisigena nange gambe mpisawo because zebatempisawo batempisawo bi. Gwebe kuyisawo bi.
Shakira, everybody is complaining about Black Market. Golacho ja appreciating. Everybody ntegeza Nina Rose, ntegeza Bruno K, ntegeza and so many others. Why are you appreciating it?
But that's not everybody.
Okay, everybody is appreciating it.
No, not appreciating it. Okay.
Okay, everybody is appreciating Black Market records.
No, if they're having their hardships with that label, I think about what time back in solving. It's in the pipes. They're solving it.
Shakira, contract here in Black Markets. One will interview.
Yeah, it's publishing and marketing. Yeah. They are publishing and marketing.
Publishing and marketing. That means musical recording, videos and audio. You're not going to
yeah.
Enkolagana yona abantu mu Black Market okuli Daddy Andre, okuli Tony Ocean, okuli muna PR mwe mulabye nako wano. Shadrack ali US I think by now. Shadrack at Cedric.
Cedric your boss.
Yali US.
You see. Enkolagana nunje. Because as a company you have to get along with your teammates. So we get along so well.
But nabogera ntino Black Market Records enenge jeisamu abayimbi abachiri kitya. Saka tunye contracts zeba signing na Black Market but goto biulia. Daddy Andre is Bruno K is not happy with Black Market. Ndozo chimanyi.
Chiraba.
Boba gamba chiri kitya.
It's in the loops they're solving it. Any issues in the business, we know just solving. Let them wongera making worse. You have to solve it and get to a common ground. Nemuchiteleza, you know? Yeah, they're solving it.
Music, Olimba Lwaimbia ne David Utalo Lwemu kunyimba is breaking the even. Era luli ku most of the countdowns mu Gwanga Uganda. Gwengo muntu wachiwuli yotokuba nti Olimba lokoze ne David Lutalo. How did you sit into it? Because Lutalo imba kind of genre music in Dala compared to what you see.
First of all, I want to thank David because he did everything.
What is everything?
Yeah, David wrote the song. And then Alumpa, and he wanted me to sound exactly like how I sound. Yeah, one koluyimba. Ngaine ayagala sounding ebulungi nga bw'oluwulira. Nampa time nampa obudde bwe nabeera very patient kyengeza okugamba. Which other artists abasinga tebalina nnyo buddoba, I don't know. Kyebatampadde okay, yeah, in general. So he's the kind of person, he loves what he does. Ekintu kyakwatako aba akyagala kati aba ayagala kiveeyo bulungi n'abafaani be bakireceiving nga bw'akisuubira because bafaani balina David Lutalo oli gwe bamanyi so nabo baagala eyo sound yebejja gye bali.
Tekyali kizibu nnyo okutula mu ngato za Lutalo because okubira ddala ku line 1 mu luyimba you sound Lutalo.
Yeah, tekyali kyangu naye nga bwe ngamba akumentoringa ya mentoringa into it nalaba nga ndi ready nangamba kati Shakira kyekyo. So
how did you find him? Because he's one person who is a perfectionist in what he does. He's a personal friend to me, but ye muntu ayagala buli kimu okubeera ku standard, and not every artist is like that. Yo amusango twakifuna mu buzibu
okumufuna okola naye.
No, like twakifuna muko. He's a perfectionist, I can tell you. Lutalo is a perfectionist.
Yeah. Kyekiri kyenkugambye akiwa obudde tagenda kimufuna lwa kubanga. He's one person I've worked with banange ng'ekintu akiwa time.
Lutalo
kirungi kizeeyo. Mukidemu.
Lutalo y'omu ku bayimbi abatamagaga bakolabo. Lwaki gwe kyamwanguyira okuwa?
Ekyo yayinza okiddamu.
Sente yali mu deal yali mu sente mmeka?
Semulina sente. So what is the name Janawa David, by the way?
And say kulaba.
What is the name Janawa David? Of course, you pay for the services, for the studio time, video audio, Nesim Swala isi. Knowlton Swala isi.
How much did it cost you to do a collab with David Utaro to the extent in production here too?
How much it cost the whole song?
Yeah, you know, before promotion, because promotion is a different cost. Now to cow, Nesim you have charging a maker, our Knowlton you have charging a maker, and stuff like that.
You know, Amundo's I am like 18 million.
18 million.
You
know, David Utaro.
You know, you nanga project. David Joto musasula nti nkusasudo ko.
Stegera but project yo na ya million 18.
Yo nga yo just
Sante zino zijjawa.
Anti kyenkiri kyenkugambye nina abantu abankwatirako.
Shakira mu business muno bagamba nti no go mukuba money bags abazo okuspendinga baba bakyama.
Size kuspendinga.
18 million okimanyi album ya muyimbi munambe Uganda.
But music is expensive. Music wabe kati ate project ya Zex yali more expensive than ya David. Ya Zex Bilangilangi. I think you saw the video.
Yeah, it was wow.
Singing costumes, Phenon Records. It was more expensive than this. But when you want something quality, nice, you know, it's expensive. Music is expensive.
Shakira, ono mimbi gomba ya Uganda muwala. Mchala.
I appreciate.
But you don't admire.
No, admiration is different.